Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia, and in today's video I'm about to show you guys how I created this wig. It is a closure 16-inch custom wig that I color jet black. It is only 2 bundles. It's to give a nice natural fullness. It's a 6x6 closure, which is positioned to the side to help give off the really deep side part. This is a look I have never done before. I've done side parts before, but my side part be like up here, but I want to do like the deep Instagram side part with the dramatic baby hairs, and I love it. I love it so much. I have fun creating this look, making the wig as well. If you guys would like to see how to make a wig like this, you guys can head over to crownsforqueens.com. I do sell online courses, yeah, showing how I construct the wig, but in today's video I'm just going to show you guys how I put it on. I did use the Erica J collection, which I only use 2 products from her line, which is her glue and her, which is new to me but it's not new on her website, her primer. I've never used it before. So yeah, I think it held up really good. I had this wig on for a week, no lifting, no anything, and yeah. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and of course, keep watching.
Nothing but a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing, yeah. With my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a minute goes sitting on love. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody talking me as soon as I step in the spot. 200 bitches in the bed and ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me what is your name? Ooh, she made us drink. We drunk and then I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and made her think that we feel something proper like a bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, like a Gotta